Right now, we only want Marco, but if we come in the house, we're going to take everybody's stuff.
But you can't come in the house. You don't have a warrant.
Jasmine avoided a nice raid at her house just by knowing what to do. She used the right information at the right time. You may not be as lucky if you don't know your rights. Immigration Nation, today I'm going to tell you 5 things you must do if ICE shows up at your door. But now let me ask you, would you know what to do if ICE came knocking? Did you know that ICE often lies to trick you into opening the door? Because here's the truth, you have rights, but if you don't know them, they won't help you. And even though the current administration wants us to live in fear, we're here to give you the knowledge to protect yourself. Here are the 5 things you need to do. First thing you need to do if ICE shows up on your door, do not open the door and record everything. The moment ICE arrives, grab your phone and start recording. This isn't just for evidence. It can also help your case if it goes before a judge.
Me dijo que si no abren la puerta en 5 minutos los vamos a llevar a todos.
Do not open the door. Ask who they are and what they want, but do it through the door or a window. If you open the door, they may use it as an excuse to force their way in. ICE agents often lie and claim they have authority when they don't. Remember, if you don't give them permission, they typically cannot enter. Legally, anyway. Second thing you must do if ICE shows up at your door, ask to see a judge-signed warrant. ICE cannot enter your home without a judicial warrant signed by a judge, unless, of course, you let them in.
Y luego ya le dije eso de necesitamos el papel que está firmado por el juez.
Say they have a warrant, ask them to slide the warrant under the door or hold it up to a window. Then check for these details. It must have the name of a state or federal court at the top. It must be signed by a judge. It must include your exact name or address, and check the date.
Los trataron de engañar con el papel que supuestamente tenían. Ni la fecha estaba bien, era del año pasado.
A simple detail can help you. Jasmine verified the date of the order and realized it was from last year. It is common for ICE to use this type of strategy.
Not the warrant you need.
That's
not the warrant you need.
You can't come into the house with this one.
Understand, but listen to what I'm saying. I promise you this. If that warrant comes, we're going to take everybody in the house.
Third thing to do if ICE shows up at your door, use your right to remain silent. If ICE detains you, do not say anything about your immigration status. Say this instead: I'm exercising my right to remain silent. I want to speak with a lawyer. Do not sign anything without a lawyer first reviewing it. Do not give false information. Lying can hurt your case even more. Just don't answer. Your right to remain silent is protected by the 4th Amendment. No matter what your immigration status is, Jasmine's family had a lawyer to support them. Don't wait for something similar to happen to you. Fourth thing to do if ICE shows up at your door: if they force their way in, do not resist. Lucky, ICE did not enter this family's home. But what should you do if you find yourself in this situation? Do not physically resist. It's not fair, but resisting will only put you in more danger. Instead, keep recording if you can, or tell someone else to do it. Say clearly, I do not consent to this search. Make sure the name and badge numbers of the agents are recorded on their uniforms. Fifth thing to do in case ICE shows up at your door, or before ICE shows up at your door: protect yourself now. Don't wait for ICE to show up. Take action today. Jasmine knew how to act because she knew her rights. But do you know yours? Don't wait any longer. Talk to an immigration lawyer now. See if you qualify for legal status. Options can include asylum, TPS, U visa, VAWA, or a family-based application. Join community groups or organizations for extra support. Immigration Nation, fear is ICE's greatest weapon, but knowledge is our best defense. Drop a comment below. What else do you want to know about protecting yourself? Do you think ICE is abusing its power? Have you or someone you know ever been in this situation? Share this video so more people can protect themselves. Stay informed and take action. You are not alone. We are in this together. Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.